Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about top 5 myths which we are going to bust about app development today. So if you want to build your own successful mobile app or you are just curious about these huge myths about app development, this video is for you because today we are debugging top 5 myths about app development. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First myth is app development is too expensive. Well, it's true that developing a high quality application requires significant investment, but it's not in all the cases. So here your app development cost depends on various factors: the complexity of your application, the features you want in your application, the technology you want in your application, and obviously the development team you are choosing to develop your own application. So here, with clear understanding of your app's requirement and a well-planned budget, you can build a successful application without breaking the banks. Second myth is I need to know how to code. Yes, having coding skills is beneficial, but that's not a requirement for building a successful application. There are many no-code app development platforms like Adalo and Bubble which allow you to create amazing applications without using a single line of code. Additionally, you can always hire an app development team or partner with amazing app development companies which will not only see about your coding but will also handle the whole process of your app development. Third myth is my app will be an overnight success. Yes, it is possible for your application to be viral, but it is not essential always. So here, if you want to make your application viral and successful enough, then you should have a solid marketing strategy. This involves creating buzz about your application, engaging continuously with your targeted audience, and continuously updating and improving your application. If you want to know how, you can contact us directly. Fourth myth is I only need to develop for one platform. So here, with the increasing use of cross-platform app development tools, it is very easy for you to build an application which is available on different platforms. So here, if you develop your application for multiple platforms, you are increasing your app's visibility, you are increasing and reaching wider audience, which directly means that you are increasing your revenue. So if you want to do so, you can use amazing cross-platform tool called Flutter. Fifth is app development is a one-time process. So the truth is that app development is an ongoing process which needs continuous maintenance and updating and improving of your application. So if you want your application to be successful enough and you want to generate a huge amount of revenue from your own application, then here you need to build and maintain your application. You need to add new features, you need to continuously update your application, and all of them here you need to see your users' feedback and you need to improve your application accordingly. So there you have it, folks. Top 5 myths about app development which are seriously not at all true. So if you seriously want to build your own successful application, then feel free to connect to us because here in our company, we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and right now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. So if you also want to build a successful and want to generate a huge amount of revenue from your own application, feel free to connect to us. Our contact number is given in the description box. If you want app consultancy right now we are providing you 20 minutes free app consultancy services so that you can know how you can start your own application. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for further information you can visit our website which is linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.